Vulture Tech, the big day is here. I'm so excited to show you the first Vulture build for the Vulture Tech channel. I'm so excited. Ryzen 7 2700X, 550 plus platinum, 80 plus platinum power supply, GTX 1080. Oh my gosh, 2x2 flat panel of steel, and then a 2x2 sheet of wood. 2x2? Yeah, maybe it was 2x4. Nah, 2x2. So I took a piece of wood and a piece of steel, and I bent it. And I took a big piece of threaded, cut it down to make feet. And I will show you step by step. I am so proud of this. So ready to show it to you. The first Vulture Tech build. Thank you for tuning in, boys and girls. Here it comes. You want a case that's kind of like the Core P5 or whatever that is, that open air test bench looking white thing. It's a cool case. You want to make your own? Go to Lowe's. Grab yourself $40 at most. And you too. With these hands, your hands, some cutting skills, some banging skills. Check it out. I'm so excited to show this to you. First Vulture Tech build. Enjoy. Here we go. This is me firing up the build for the first time. Fingers crossed. Let's see. So bad. I don't want you to be. Can you hold this camera over here, please? Can you hold this camera?
What are you doing? The camera. Huh?
Put on the dummy hard drive so we can see what's going on. to do. And there you go. Good work, team. Do some mush. Yeah, let's do some mush.
What I did. When level 9. Moon and sun. Daddy, there's going to be a moon and a sun.
Moon and a sun?
Yeah. Sun and moon. Daddy, look. Sun and moon.
Oh, wow, the moon looks nasty.
Yeah. What's bubble?
Lost bubble.
Daddy, every time my controller is turned off.
Turns off?
Yeah. Because it's low battery.
Hey, sweet boy, I'll have to get batteries at work. We don't have any batteries, man. We don't have any batteries,
Are
dog.
you filming this?
Yes.
Level 8. Got it.
I had my cool Vogue sticker right here. I had my Vulture logo on it. Instead of that stinky white sticker. I think that would look awesome. hard drive, motherboard on. Need the graphics card next. Still have to build a stand for it. I don't know if I can get the screw under it. There was, what'd you think? I know that video was a little bit of that. I didn't have any cohesion to it. I just wanted to get it all together. I started filming through it after I cut the wood. I didn't really cut out all the holes in the videos. That was all done off camera. So, like I said, I bought a sheet 2x2, kind of bent it over, and then to get the bend around, took a 2x2, cut that down. What did we end up with? I don't even know what dimensions we ended up with. I don't have a thing. What's it matter? It's about that by that. I had to cut the metal smaller. I had to cut the wood smaller. Okay. Did the bend. And then I had to get a gap between the two pieces to hide all the cables. So there's about a gap about that much there. Okay. How was I going to make the gap? So I needed some screws, but I want to kind of make my own length. So at Lowe's, they sell a, what is it, maybe a 3 feet piece of something about that. And it's all threaded, looks like a giant screw. And then you saw I took the Whizzy wheel, I cut down feet, right? And then I put screws in between to hold the gap open. So I had a nice gap. And then I just didn't want to finish with screw looking material. So I bought hollow tube metal, cut it to length, zoom, zoom, and that's what you see in the finished product. So there's actually screw under there, but my feet dress it up. Then I took one of those PCI extenders so I could have it facing this way so you could see all the fans coming, spinning on the GT 1080. Got the RGB and the AMD. I was going to put some RGB inside. Still might going forward. Not sure. I didn't want to go over the top. I like the metal industrial look. So I don't know if the RGB is going to ruin it or it might make it pop. I don't know. There's a cricket over there, if you can hear that. So then you got the spinning fan of the, what is it, a Quark? It's a Roswell Quark Series 550 80 plus platinum. Plenty of power. You got the 2 terabyte old school hard drive there. On the motherboard itself, it boots with the NVMe 870 Evo, whatever. So it boots off there, so don't worry about that. There is a NVMe M.2 boot up drive, Samsung Evo. And then it has the 2 terabytes for the backup. I'm doing the, what is it, the X470 Aorus Ultra Gaming, running the old school AMD Ryzen 7 2700X. There's 64 gigs of RAM on there, which is plenty. And then I got a button on the side, the green button, drilled the hole. I think it turned out great. All the components are on plastic screws, and they're about inch off the metal, so there's definitely no metal on metal contact. Everything is up about an inch using plastic screws, so there's no any kind of anything there. It runs great. I had a blast building it. These hands built that. Very proud of it. My kids dig it. They think it's amazing. I think it's amazing. Under $40. screws, nuts, metal, wood, hammer, drill, whizzy thing, whatever that's called, a rotary zip. Everything's clean. I hid all the wires, so you got the 1-inch gap. The cutouts are underneath, so they kind of fish. So the cable management looks tight. Hope you guys enjoy it. It's great. If you want to see more builds like this, I'm going to be doing more in the future. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Tell somebody about it. This has been Vulture Tech. This is my first hands-on build made by me. And you saw the picture up there, a Vulture logo. If you want me to build you something, get in touch. I'll build you a custom machine. Please enjoy. Thank you. Leave some comments, some likes. I know the video is here, there, boom, bang, boom, bang, boom. Didn't show every little step. And it's a Vulture build, baby. I can't do everything. It's a Vulture build. Thank you, guys. Hit the subscribe if you like it. Tune in next time.